Guys, I got a 2020 Honda Accord. So we ran the power wire through the firewall right there with the boot or the grommet right there. You can see it's going over there. I'm going to show you. And then you need a 10 millimeter right here to put this ring terminal down. And we use the wiring the fuse holder as 80 amp because it's a small amp. I didn't get a chance to video everything, but if you want to run the rubber boot right there, you just take a coat hanger and push it there. Try not to have a sharp piece because you can damage this wire if you push it too thick. So a coat hanger is perfect because it's got a small hole, and make sure when you pull it, you're not ripping this wire. You run the power wire through there, through here, and this is more like a show and tell because I thought I got it on video and then for some reason it's not working. So this is an old Crunch 2100. I use a line out converter, which is the Kislock 2. Use the speaker wire through the input on the amp. Input. An amp should have an input and output. You want an input. And then you got 4 wire out here. Actually you got 6 wire. You want to hook up white and black, gray and black to the negative of what I just mentioned to you and speaker on the back. And then white and gray is solid. You want to hook up to the positive side, which is the red wire. Now you want to hook up the black wire to the ground with the ground right there. And then the remote wire in the middle and the power wire from the fuse holder. And then you got the positive and negative to the speakers. So I made a ground right underneath here right there. I sand it really good. And then run the ground back over here, and then that was it. So be careful running the screw hole right there. You don't want to run the screw hole through here. So you basically want to move it down there a little bit, and that is it. And then to bypass ANC, I'm gonna link it below so you can take the ANC out yourself.